related to JUnit? I want reply. Discuss various things related to JUnit. Come on, guys. Yeah. We have written some test cases. We have done basic application, boss. Okay, guys. See, JUnit file lifecycle diagram, right? JUnit file lifecycle callback annotation. Listen, boss. The before all method will execute before all the test cases. When this will execute, executes once before executing all the test cases, right, boss? Executes once before executing all the test cases, right, boss? All the test cases. Super, guys. After all, executes once at the end of the test cases. At the end of all the test cases, right, boss? Before each, executes before each test case. Executes before each test case. If you observe very carefully in the diagram, it is reflecting, boss. Before all ones, after all ones. Before each, before test case 1. After each once, after test case 1. Before each, before test case 2. After each, before test case 2. Right now, boss? Executes before each test case. Before each test case. Right. Executes after each test case. Executes after each test case. Fine, boss. Okay. Now tell me, I have 10 test case methods and I have kept before each method, after each method. How many times those methods will execute, guys? How many times those methods will execute? I want reply. I have 10 test case methods. I have placed one method having before each annotation. I have placed one method having after each annotation. How many times these two methods will execute? Before each and after each methods will execute? How many times before each and after each method executes? Only one fellow replied, that too wrong answer. Aditya Singh, you are right. That 10 times. What about others? Guys, you want to respond or you don't want to respond? Okay, now after giving the answer, someone saying 10 times. Great, Wes. Okay, now tell me. I have taken method with before all. I have taken method with after all. Annotation. How many times these two methods will execute? How many times these two methods will execute? Array, please listen the question properly, worst fellows. Having annotation before all, having annotation after all, two methods are taken in the test case class. How many times these methods will execute? Those methods will execute. One time or 10 times? Only for one time. Okay. At the rate after all and at the rate before all methods are test case level one time executing methods at the rate before each, at the rate after each. Methods are, come on guys. Methods are, tell me. Methods are, methods are, methods are, methods are each test case level. Test case level, one time executing block. 1 minute. Test case class level. What level? Class level, one time executing class. Methods are each test case level. Each test case level repeatedly executing blocks. Repeatedly executing block. Right now, boss. If test case class is having 20 test methods, then 20 test methods. Then tell me, boss, what is the first one? Before all, after all, methods execute only for one time. Only for one time. Tell me, before each. Before each, at the rate, after each. Methods execute for 20 times. On one per each test method. Test method basis. Everyone convinced, my dear? Got the point? Let's get into today's discussion, boss. Let's get into our workspace. What is our workspace? Switch workspace. Yeah, where is this? FS tools. Switch workspace, FS tools, guys. Close all editors, guys. Delete this one, boss. Okay. Delete this one, boss. This file new. What is the project? Maven project. I'm taking second project, guys. What is there? Maven archetype archetype quick start. archetype quick start. Super. What is there? JUnit pros 2. JUnit pros 2. What is the package, guys? com.nt.service package. Say next. com.nt.service package. What's the problem? Why Maven project is giving problems? Oh, guys, Maven project is giving problems. Why so? Did I not select the correct archetype? 1 minute. Did I not select the correct archetype? File, Maven project, say next, Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen, quick start. Say next. Okay. JUnit pros2, com.nt.service. com.nt.service. Discover map execution, resolve later, resolve all later. Finish. Continue. I'm losing the project essence now, boss. What's happening? Main Java, everything is perfect. Right click. Yeah, today I'm not visible, guys. You want me to be visible? Okay. No, no, actually, this project creation is giving trouble, boss. What should I do for that? 17, even update is not coming. Even update the project. Say done. Update the project to say done. Okay, that's fine. But that structure is required now, boss. That structure is required. Structure is required. Let me restart the Eclipse once. Restart the Eclipse once, guys. I don't know where the structure gone, guys. Properties of the project, even life cycle. It's saying some compile time error. Plugin tag is giving error, was. Basic structure is missing now, boss. That's the problem.